Welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at how questions management works in iSchool. Open the Questions page by selecting a class from the main menu, and click the Questions button on the Subjects option. We currently don't have any questions for this subject, so let's add one. We don't have a topic to add our question, so let's quickly create one. Name the title of our topic and click the Add button. Now let's add our question by selecting the newly added topic. By changing our question type from the default theory to objective, we can be able to add options to our questions. We can add our options by clicking the plus button and typing in our options in the text boxes. Now let's set the correct answer by clicking the answer switch. Click Ctrl+R to refresh our questions if our new questions is not on the page. Let's add more questions by uploading questions to our new topic. Select the topic and click the option button, then click Upload Questions. Choose the questions upload file from the demo folder and click Open. Click Ctrl+R again to refresh our topic. We are ready to create our first setup, which we can add questions from any topic to print our questions. Let's name our setup first CA Test, and add 15 questions to it from our question bank. On the Setup Questions form, we can simply add a question by clicking the Add button from the left of our question. Notice how the number of questions selected increase from the top of the form, according to the number of questions selected for objective and theory questions. We can also search a question from the search bar, and sort the questions from the columns. Let's submit our update by printing the 15 questions we have added. Select our setup from the Setup tab and click Download from option. Click Open to open the file in Microsoft Word, and click Ctrl+P to print the questions. Let's explore the format view of the questions. Notice how the questions are listed in a two-column numbered fashion with a tabbed option lists. This is the standard of setting questions as it minimizes paper usage. This brings us to the end of this video. In the next video, we will look at iSchool payroll system and attendance for staffs. Thanks for watching.